Hey, hey guys, so today we are going to continue doing our research on the what effects does alcohol have on physical activity, but we're going to be using advanced search. So with advanced search, you are going to use three different commands. You're going to use the command, the all-in URL command, and then the all-in title command. So first we're going to do the command. There we go. So with the command, you want to do the sign and then any social media. So we'll do TikTok. So we can see different videos about the negative impact on drinking, muscle growth and fitness. So let's see, we'll try Facebook. So here's the one, Snatch X, drinking alcohol as a regular pattern can negatively affect physical performance. So next we will do the all-in URL. So there's no searches. So we can take this one right here. I'll go open a new one so I don't lose my spot. And we can change it around. So we can do effects. Let's just try that. So still nothing. Effects of alcohol, physical activity. So here's one. And then we will go back and we will do the all-in title. So again, we have none. So we'll come right here, see if we can get any. So right here we have quite a few from PubMed, PsychNet, APA.org. There's quite a few right here. So